профессиональному мастерству по стандартам WorldSkills Казани.
Silver medal goes to Samantha Tatiana Kamp, Switzerland. And the gold medal goes to Christian Simon, Hungary.
You cannot hear that, but these guys are screaming for the whole stadium. Yeah!
And you can scream with him.
Russia! Italy! Dmitry Kozin, Russia! And the gold medal goes to Xinjing Zhao, China! I hope that all of our viewers can feel these emotions of the stadium here in Kazan. Russians are usually screaming Dima, so please very much because of these amazing emotions. And for our landscape gardening, the bronze medal goes to Luis Carlos Figueira, Nelson Alejandro Rojas Duarte, Colombia.
Germany. And the gold medal goes to Renato Lerme, Switzerland.
I realize that people that watch our broadcast, they wonder why those people have so much emotions because they didn't know the results.
China. And the gold medal goes to Viktor Legastaev, Dmitry Titov, Russia. Leonardo S. gold medal goes to Zhao Cheng Wang, China.
Raise, the podium is getting a little bit slippery. Please be careful. Oh my God. Whoa, such an emotions. Все хорошо, я чемпион, сказал он, и был прав. Только завтра запроси.
Everything is okay with this guy.
Дамы и господа, приветствуйте! Группа Света-Светлана!
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sveta Svetlana.
And the hair tracing medals. My hair tracing is now completely ruined. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, so please be ready. Austria, Russia,
Now in health and social care, the bronze medal goes to Jonah Björnel, Sweden.
we remember how it was.
It was great.
And now it's raining. It's raining.
Congratulations to all of you guys. Now please make your way to the winner's circle. I would ask the medal winners for patisserie and confectionery to come to the patisserie and confectionery China.
The gold medal goes to Martina Quick, Switzerland. And now it's getting harder. It's like Kazanka River. This is not that typical weather for this weekend. Or it is. Nobody knows, but this is not a special effect. This is the real rain.
If you have shampoo, you can clean up your head. Anyway. Well, thank you guys. And now I would ask the medal winners for freight forwarding to come to the blue podium. Freight forwarding. Ireland, Russia, Singapore.
And for our car music, the bronze medal goes to Maxime Hooligan, Australia. The silver medal goes to United Kingdom.
And World Skills Design 2019 Ambassador, Levan Bermozia.
Enamore по колено, вот такое поколение. Мы давно были не истории, и мы здесь и ради денег. Нами движет мечта, и пускай у нас и мы научились летать. Мы что будем небеса, словно уличных кислот, не окажется завтра. Никто кроме нас самих, никто кроме нас, никто кроме нас, никто кроме нас, никто кроме нас самих, никто кроме нас. Мы рождены, чтобы сиять.
我相信各位选择中国上海，中国上海就一定能为世界奉献一届富有新意、影响深远的世界技能大赛。
Президент Российской Федерации Владимир Путин.
Друзья, дамы и господа, от всей души поздравляю победителей и призеров 45-го мирового чемпионата по профессиональному мастерству WorldSkills. Спасибо всем участникам. Вы показали блестящую технику и навыки. Действительно, на уровне виртуозного искусства. Россия впервые проводила состязание лучших профессионалов планеты. И оно стало самым крупным и представительным в истории движения. Ярким, незабываемым зрелищем. Уверен, нашим гостям понравилась Казань. Блестящий, энергично развивающийся город, с древней историей и молодой.
President Vladimir Putin, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we celebrate. To all our champions, I say a huge well done. You came here as the best of the best and leave even better. Now the great adventure of the rest of your lives begins. You are WorldSkills ambassadors, and I ask you to use every opportunity to spread the message that skills change lives. To our experts, all those who have competed depended on your knowledge, years of experience and dedication to reach such heights of excellence. To our partners and sponsors, your generous support shows commitment of industry to our message of progress through skills, training and education. To all the volunteers, the guides and the workshop managers.
Где проходил чемпионат WorldSkills. В каждой стране флагу прибавлялась нашивка с логотипом предыдущего чемпионата. И прежде чем передать флаг представителям города Шанхай, просим заместителя председателя правительства Российской Федерации Татьяну Голикову нанести нашивку мирового чемпионата по профессиональному мастерству по стандартам WorldSkills в Казани на флаг WorldSkills.
Over the last 2 years, the WorldSkills flag has traveled around the world to all the countries that have hosted the WorldSkills competition. In each country, a badge has been added to the flag to mark each of the competitions in that country. And now, before we pass the flag to the representatives of the city of Shanghai, we ask Deputy Prime Minister of the Russian Federation, Tatyana Golikova, to put the last patch of WorldSkills Kazan 2019 onto the WorldSkills flag.
Заместитель председателя правительства Российской Федерации Татьяна Голикова передает